Surah Al-Baqarah Ayah 12.
ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون.
Translation. Beware. It is they who are the corrupters, but they do not realize it. What does this ayah mean? Imagine you're playing a game, and someone keeps breaking the rules. When you tell them to stop, they say, "I'm not doing anything wrong." But deep down, they know they're causing trouble. This ayah is about people who do bad things but don't even realize they're being harmful. They might think they're doing something good, but their actions are actually causing problems. Allah is warning us to be careful and make sure we're not hurting others, even if we don't mean to. What are the lessons? First, always think about how your actions affect others. Second, if someone tells you you're doing something wrong, listen to them. Third, be kind and careful so you don't accidentally hurt anyone. This ayah continues the discussion about hypocrites, people who claim to do good but actually spread harm. The problem is, they're so blinded by their own excuses and justifications that they don't even realize they're causing corruption. Allah is warning us about the danger of self-deception. Sometimes, we might think we're doing the right thing, but our actions could be harmful to others or society. This ayah reminds us to reflect on our intentions and actions, and to seek guidance to avoid unintentional harm. Lesson for us from this ayah are: 1. Be mindful of your actions and their impact on others. 2. Avoid self-deception by regularly reflecting on your intentions. 3. Seek knowledge and guidance to ensure your actions align with what's truly good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Quran lessons.